In this video, we are going to fix an error code for Microsoft Store 2019. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to repair and reset the Microsoft Store app. How we can do that, please navigate at the search box, type for Store. Once a best match has been seen, I want you to navigate under it, make a right click, and wait until you can see an option, which is the app settings. So click on app settings. And from here, please scroll down, click for repair, and click on reset. Okay. So click on repair and reset and wait until this would be done. Okay. And once you are done with this, try to check if the error has been resolved. However, if not, I want you to clear the Microsoft Store cached, press Windows key and R key together, type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. You'll get to open a blank window. Wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done with this, try to check if the error has been resolved, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.